Welcome back. While high-level functions like URLLIB are convenient, they hide the true complexity of networking. To build custom applications like chat systems or file servers, we must use the low-level foundation, socket programming. 1. What is a socket? Think of a socket as the endpoint of a two-way communication link between two programs running on a network. It is what allows the operating system to send and receive data. Every connection you make, from a web browser to an email client, uses sockets under the hood. In Python, we use the socket module to access this fundamental mechanism. 2. Creating a socket object. To create a socket, we need two main parameters. The first is the address family, and we use AF_INET for standard IP version for networking. The second is the socket type. We use SOC_stream for TCP, or Transmission Control Protocol, which is connection-oriented and reliable. This combination is the standard for almost all Internet applications like HTTP and FTP. 3. TCP versus UDP. When choosing the socket type, you choose between TCP and UDP. TCP, or SOC_stream, is reliable. It ensures data is delivered in order and without errors, making it suitable for file transfers and web browsing. UDP, or SOC_DGRAM, is faster but unreliable, suitable for video streaming or gaming, where losing a packet is acceptable for speed. To summarize, we now know the components needed to create a socket. Our next lecture 27.05. Create a server. See you there.